Did you ever paint something beautiful, then add a background that's just too busy, and suddenly your colors seem to disappear? Don't worry, that happens to everyone. But here's the good news. With a few simple color tricks, you can make any color jump right off the canvas, no matter what's behind it. Today, I'll share easy ways to use color relationships and contrast to make your art pop. Colors that sit opposite each other in tone naturally make each other pop. Think about red and green, blue and orange, or yellow and purple. When placed side by side, they create a strong contrast that immediately grabs your eye. But don't overdo it. Using these opposite colors in small amounts or just in your focal point creates the biggest impact without overwhelming your whole painting. Colors that are close to each other in tone blend well and create a calm, harmonious feeling. For example, blues and greens or yellows and oranges flow nicely together. Using these colors in your background can help the main color stand out without clashing. You can also make your focal color brighter or more intense, and the neighboring colors will support it instead of competing. Even if your colors are different, they won't pop if they have the same brightness or dullness. Try to put a bright, intense color next to a duller or darker background to make it stand out. This is called playing with value and saturation. What's your favorite way to make a color pop? Share your secrets below. If you learned something new today, hit like, subscribe, and share this with an art buddy who could use a little extra pop in their work. See you next time!